Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the messages you want to clean, copy them to a single document, or keep the conversation open. Once done, decide whether you want to delete emoji completely or replace them with a placeholder such as Emoji. Make sure you pick an editor that supports pattern search or regex, Notes app, text editor, or a dedicated script environment, because simple manual deletion is slow and error-prone for many messages. Now you run the actual removal using a Unicode-aware regex. If your tool supports Unicode properties, use a pattern like \p emoji with the U flag. Otherwise, apply a curated emoji range pattern. Once the pattern is set, perform replace all and either leave matches blank to delete them or insert your chosen placeholder. Make sure to preview a few replacements so you don't accidentally strip punctuation or language. Finish by scanning the cleaned output for spacing issues and complex emoji made from multiple code points, such as zero-width joiner sequences or regional indicator pairs that form flags. Save or export your clean text, and consider creating a small script or phone shortcut to automate this for future messages. If some emojis still appear, update your regex to include ZWJ and regional indicators, or switch to a more up-to-date Unicode-aware engine. That single tweak usually fixes leftover cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.